Hello my beautiful people and welcome to Moldova. I am officially here for my holiday. The sky is beautiful, we have a lot of sun. So we are here with my mom. This is my grandma's house. The house is about 80 years old. Sorry. I've spent most of my childhood here, and this is a newer fence that we've done. This gate is just as old as the house. We actually painted it yesterday. So let me tell you what we're doing here. So welcome inside. It's very old, everything, so take as it is. It's a little garden there. So this is the house. As you can see, the blue side, it's the very old side, and this is just something's being renovated. We're gonna do that again. So we planned to take this house down, and everything here, it's we need to lay new like the floor thing here, we need to pour a fresh layer of concrete. So this is the house where my dad grew up. We've already installed, we're restoring the house. We're not taking it down anymore, we're actually restoring so we can still use it for a while. So the windows and the doors and all of that are new. This top part is still very old. As you can see, it's very traditional and typical, so you get a little bit of a view, of an idea how it used to be. So we have all this pretty side here. It's all like building stuff. Everything looks very rough. All this side is very old, so we're gonna be taking all that down up until here. So all that, it looks like a haunted house. It's very scary. But all of this is gonna be taken down completely, so we're just gonna have a garden here. So there's a lot of shit that go. Look at this. That's the cellar. We're gonna keep that. There's actually some water in there. It's fine. It's always been like that. So we're gonna take all of this down, and this is the original wall of the house. Everything else was built later, but really badly. It's been like this for about 30 years, and it's time to take it down and just leave the main house that my grandma actually built when they've just done the house. So this will stay. So basically I am here with my mom trying to do all this work, and that's me there. I have the worst outfit ever. I'm not wearing any shoes. That's our old well as well. This needs to be replaced. So our beautiful trees and a massive new house there. So this we're still gonna keep as much as we can from the original house, because I want to preserve it in a way, and keep it very traditional. So we're gonna keep these doors as well. They've probably been here since the house, but I mean, we're gonna freshly paint them. And this is a cellar I've been scared of. Okay, something, well, that stuff shouldn't be there. So this is a cellar I've been scared of my entire life. The wind just took this shit in here. There you go. And it's almost always full of water. There is a lot of water underneath here in general on the whole piece of land, but this gets filled with water quite a lot. But it's actually very clean water. It's just the bottom of this is not clean, so when it comes, it kind of just brings all the stuff from the floor. But oh my god, I've touched something. Oh my god. I thought something is walking over me. I touched that bag with my bag. Honest god, this is all full of spiders all the time. So to be honest, I'm just gonna have to clean everything in here, so then I can stop being scared of this thing. So very pretty door. I like it. So yeah, as I said, I spent all my childhood here, but obviously the house and everything was a lot nicer, but it kind of got it's ruined compared to what it was. But we're gonna fix it. This is my project, so we need to fix the roof a bit as well. Look at that. Do not enter it. That's the level of English when I was about 10 maybe. So we have, my mom planted some tomato plants here, got our flowers, we have some greens and stuff, we have more flowers and stuff lower down there, our cherry trees. So yeah, we're gonna be working here for the next week. This is some antique Soviet door from a I think this was from our old fridge. And yeah, my grandma lived here until 20 years ago when she passed away, and I think longer now. We're actually 20, I think in 2000. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this little video. I am gonna post a lot more with the, or actually, shall I go inside? Let me go inside. It's 5 minutes, but you can wait. So these are the old doors. These are the old windows. This is the paint we did yesterday, but this paint is actually made out of like a special, not special, it's the thing that mom așteaptă-leac. But these are all the original doors as well. Inside I'll show you this one, which we started to paint already. Very dirty on the floor. We're gonna paint the floor at the end. And these are the new windows we've changed. So we need to paint everything. My mom's working there in the kitchen. This is a paint that was used even by our grandmas and their mothers and grandmas. So it's a very old, very thin paint that you dilute. So as you can see, the walls are all like that. But we're gonna keep it as a summer house, very sort of rustic and the way it used to be. So we don't want to change much. We just want to refresh, make clean, and fix the bigger issues. Like as you can see underneath there was like a big hole in there and stuff. So yeah, we're just having fun and we're doing all of this, and I'll show you a bit more as we do. So we did fix that top there and stuff. So yeah, we have a lot of work to do, and it should be really fun. I'll update you as I go for the next few days. I think you'll like the progress and everything. Bye.